Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce Marketing Cloud for personalized campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Email Studio tab from the main dashboard. Select Content to create personalized email content for your campaign. Use the Create button to start designing a new email template. In the Content Editor, explore the personalization options in the toolbar. Click on the Personalization drop-down to access dynamic content features. Choose the type of dynamic content you want to implement, such as conditional statements. Drag and drop the necessary content blocks into your email layout. Next, define the audience for your campaign. Go to the Audience Builders section within the Email Studio. Select Create New Segment to target specific customer groups. Use filters based on demographics, behaviors, or past purchase history to refine your audience. After creating the segment, save it for future use. Return to the email draft and insert personalized dynamic fields. Preview the email to visualize how the personalization will appear to recipients. Test your email by sending a sample to yourself or a test group. Next, navigate to the Journey Builder for setting up automated campaigns. Create a new journey by selecting Create New Journey. Utilize the entry source options to define how contacts enter the journey. Add interaction steps, such as sending emails, based on customer actions. Include personalized messages in each email step of the journey. Set up decision splits to tailor the path based on user engagement and preferences. Once your journey is complete, validate it to ensure proper functionality. After validation, activate the journey to begin engaging your audience. Monitor the performance through the Analytics dashboard. Track key metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversions. Adjust your campaigns based on the data collected to enhance personalization. Continue to refine your strategies for greater effectiveness in future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.